Good evening. This is Title I Open House at Stafford Early Childhood Center. We are engaging in some great activities with the teachers, also inviting the families to meet and greet the teachers. We're also doing a wonderful scavenger hunt. We have some wonderful vendors here, as well as the PTO, which I am PTO president of. We are doing t-shirts. We're talking about the volunteer services that you can do throughout your time. It can be an hour out the day, as well as different activities such as field trips, field day, lunchroom duties. Things of that nature will help the Stafford Early Childhood Center so that we can become one as a team and a community together. Tonight is going to be very informational for the teachers and the parents. Reason being is because the teachers are going to be able to engage with the parents on the student activities throughout this entire month that school has started. That's going to incorporate grades, attendance, activities inside the classroom. Then the parents will also be able to help the teachers understand the children and what they need so that when they're at home, they'll be able to complete all studies that are needed to make this school year great.
Today, I facilitated the Title I meeting at Stafford Early Childhood Center. This meeting is an annual update reminding families of the promise and commitment that we have to make in order to ensure that every student here at Stafford ECC receives a quality education. This meeting is an opportunity to empower parents and make them aware of their rights as parents, informing them of opportunities that they can get involved, whether it's through volunteering or providing academic support to their children. The reason why this meeting is conducted every year is to continue to inform parents of their rights, whether it comes down to advocating for their child's education, getting their opportunities to be more involved in their child's learning. Title I meetings are a federal requirement as issued by the Every Student Succeeds Act from 2015. Basically, what is expected is that campus administrators inform parents of their rights, as well as express to them some of the different community partnerships that are available to provide support to their children while they're attending the campus. Here tonight, we also have in attendance Baker Ripley representation, our Stafford Early Childhood PTO, the Stafford Special Education Parent Engagement Committee, Region 4, and so many other partners that help with ensuring that our academic opportunities at Stafford Early Childhood Center are top tier.